like all cross-eyed right now. Madison, honey, can you smile for mommy? Just look cross-eyed. I'm so silly. You are so silly. What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? I'll get like a half smile as I droop down. You're so funny.